Welcome to Dave's Daily Crypto Take. Today is Tuesday, August 10th, 2021. Let's take a look at today's charts. At number one, we got BTC at $45,912.38, up 0.50%. Ethereum at number two, $3,191.66, up 2.31%. Tether at number three, $1. Binance Coin number four, $370, up 4.20%. Cardano at number five, $1.58, up 7.91%. XRP number six, 84 cents, up 4.15%. Dogecoin at number seven, 25 cents, up 0.41%. USD coin at number eight, $1. Polkadot at number nine, $21.27, up 3.55%. And last but not least, Uniswap at number 10, $29.78, up 6.62%. Let's take a look at the crypto fear and greed index. Extreme fear can be a sign that investors are too worried. That could be a buying opportunity. And when investors are getting too greedy, that means the market is due for a correction. So today we got greed at 71. Yesterday was greed at 65. Last week was neutral at 48. And last month at this time was extreme fear at 20. So almost a 180. Today, we're going to have 5 articles on the deck. So let's take a look at the table of contents. Coinbase partners with Apple Pay to offer crypto services. Article number 2, Jack Dorsey, actual billionaire, reckons Bitcoin will unite the world. Article 3 is it's official, cryptocurrency is infrastructure. Article 4, looking at Ethereum now, it won't be crazy to expect this. And today's main topic is AMC will accept Bitcoin as payment for tickets and food by the end of the year. So before we get into the articles, I just want to say welcome to Dave's Daily Crypto Take. Thank you so much for coming in to tune in and listen. If you're in the podcast space, check me out on Apple, Spotify, or Google Podcasts. And if you're on the YouTube space, please click like, share, and subscribe so that it helps the algorithm and it helps my channel become more populated, that people are interested in cryptocurrency. So again, this space is all going to be unbiased news. So there's going to be points and articles for crypto and against crypto. So please take everything and please do your due diligence and research whatever you can so that you can make an informed decision. Again, thank you all again for all your support. Let's get to it. Article number 1 is Coinbase partners with Apple Pay to offer crypto services. So 2 points in this article. Coinbase tries to create a partnership with instant payments like Apple Pay and Google Pay. Coinbase customers can transfer up to $100,000 each day in RTP payments. So the largest crypto platform in the United States, Coinbase, announced an update to its interface by accepting new payment methods. This time, Coinbase focuses on the accounts linked to Apple Pay of users who are attracted to crypto. Now, Apple customers can buy cryptocurrencies using the debit card they have added to the platform. The Apple Pay app represents one of the best instant payment systems in the world. In the initial 8 months of the year, the application has registered over 43 million new customers. Until recently, Apple Pay had avoided cryptocurrency apps. This is, however, a positive step for crypto as a whole. So, Coinbase with Apple Pay create the best crypto payment system. People who use the crypto exchange Coinbase to store their cryptocurrencies can now do so through Apple Pay. Coinbase members can purchase tokens such as Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, and other decentralized currencies in their wallets. Coinbase Platform Transaction Director Prakash Haramani said this new payment method is fast, secure, and easy to complete. The Coinbase goal is to expand the cryptocurrency's adoption familiarly. Hiramani indicates that they are adapting to the best alternatives for buying cryptos using debit cards. These cryptocurrency purchases will be extensive with a transaction limit of $100,000 every 24 hours. Apple Pay promised to give the best of its system that will work for the whole week without a break. From the payment application, the client can have instant deposits or withdrawals with affordable commission rates. So Google Play could also work with Coinbase. There are also expectations the Coinbase platform will work with Google Play. Crypto investors are looking forward to this partnership with Google Play for crypto adoption to increase significantly. This merger between the two companies would benefit Coinbase as it will increase customers using the platform. However, this will also depend on the crypto exchange's limits on the number of supported countries. For now, Coinbase takes the cake as the first cryptocurrency platform to accept RTP withdrawals with the Apple app. This automatic payments technology can boost crypto trading currently on the mend. Cryptocurrency fans can now buy their tokens through Apple Pay and for the near future from Google Play. As the daily transaction limits are high, a user can buy up to 2 Bitcoin today. Coinbase is getting back on its feet in the decentralized marketplace and may mark a milestone by being the best cryptocurrency promoter. The crypto exchange is eager for these new partnerships and will shortly announce other developments that benefit the digital market. So there you guys have it. Coinbase partners with Apple Pay to offer crypto services. Comment down below if you think these two companies, Coinbase and Apple, are a match made in heaven. And do you think you would actually use Apple Pay to start buying crypto? All right, let's keep on going. Article number 2. Jack Dorsey, actual billionaire, reckons Bitcoin will unite the world. So, Twitter founder, billionaire, and man who is too rich to have such an untamed beard, Jack Dorsey, has declared that Bitcoin will unite the world, but has offered precisely no insight into how he supposes that will happen. You see, the neat thing about the internet, specifically Twitter, is that you can quite literally yell anything into the void with no evidence to back up what you're saying. And that's exactly what founder and CEO Dorsey has done. Hashtag Bitcoin will unite a deeply divided country and eventually the world, he tweeted on Tuesday. Dorsey's tweet comes after an amendment to the US Senate's infrastructure that would have given the government more control over cryptocurrency was blocked. So although he didn't specify which country Bitcoin would unite, we can likely assume he's talking about America. But heck, it doesn't really matter because Bitcoin is reportedly set to unite the whole world. This isn't the first time Dorsey has pushed the narrative that Bitcoin is the solution to all of the world's problems. Back in July, he told a Bitcoin conference that his hope is that Bitcoin creates world peace. The amount of cost and distraction that comes from our monetary system today is real, and it takes away attention from the bigger problems. Some of the bigger problems that Elon is trying to solve, like getting us to multi-planetary humanity, he said. All these distractions that we have to deal with on a daily basis take away from all those bigger goals that affect every single person on this planet. Increasingly so, it may sound a little bit ridiculous, but you fix that foundational level and everything above it approves. In such a dramatic way, it's going to be long term, but my hope is definitely peace. As for how Bitcoin will actually, create world peace is up for interpretation because Dorsey hasn't actually elaborated on this whatsoever. But considering the huge carbon footprint associated with mining Bitcoin and the fact that Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change just declared a code red for humanity, it feels a little unclear how the cryptocurrency is meant to be the answer to our problems. Perhaps Bitcoin won't unite the world, but at least it gives all of the crazy rich billionaires like Dorsey and Elon Musk something to bond over. So there you guys have it. Jack Dorsey, actual billionaire, reckons Bitcoin will unite the world. Comment down below if you agree with Jack Dorsey or not. And if you don't think Bitcoin will unite the world, which cryptocurrency will? All right, let's go to article number 3. It's official. Cryptocurrency is infrastructure. So, Senate negotiators, not always known for their tech savvy, made a breakthrough Monday over regulations on online transactions known as cryptocurrency. The breakthrough is significant for 2 reasons. First, negotiators were able to reach a bipartisan consensus. Second, it deals with a largely new industry, which uses blockchain technology for online transactions. A lead negotiator, Senator Pat Toomey, put it more bluntly on Monday, describing cryptocurrency as an issue that has been vexing us. Another lead negotiator, Senator Cynthia Lummis, called it such a new subject to so many people in the US Senate. The Senate's average age is 64.3 years, older than the House's 58.4 years. According to the Library of Congress, and among US investors over 50, 76% say they haven't even heard of cryptocurrencies, according to a recent Gallup poll. A last minute cryptocurrency tax provision was tacked on to the $1.2 trillion bipartisan infrastructure bill last week, which complicated infrastructure negotiations as a bitter dispute emerged over proposed tax reporting requirements for cryptocurrency transactions. It also prompted a sharp public outcry over the item's initial language. On Monday, Toomey and Loomis announced an amendment to the provision, negotiated with the Treasury Department, focused on regulating digital assets by requiring brokers to report their transactions. The negotiating group also included Senators Rob Portman, a Republican, and Democrats Mark Warner and Kristen Sinema. The silver lining is we found out who is the Senate is interested in this subject who maybe previously didn't know anything about cryptocurrencies. Loomis said. The Wyoming Republican added, we were finally able to illustrate that there's a lot of people interested in digital assets and now have contact with their senator. American investors already are showing increasing interest in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. Among adults with $10,000 or more invested in stocks, bonds, or mutual funds, either within or outside retirement funds, 6% say they own Bitcoin. According to the same recent Gallup poll, that's up from just 2% who said the same in May 2018. The number climbs even higher to 13% for investors under 50 years old. Gallup likens current Bitcoin ownership levels to gold, which 11% of investors say they own. Loomis acknowledged that the space is moving so fast, the innovation is working at such a rapid rate that we will probably have to revisit this subject and call the amendment legislation that sets some definitions in this space. So, what do you guys think? It's official. Cryptocurrency is infrastructure. Comment down below and let me know what you think about this piece. All right. I'd like to take a time out right now and just want to say thank you so much to all my supporters, especially to all my listeners around the globe. I've been looking at the analytics and I've seen people from Americas to the Europeans to the Asians and also to the Africans as well. So thank you so much. If you think that someone in your family or your friend circle would like to know more about cryptocurrency, please share this podcast, whether it's on Apple, Spotify, or Google, or even share the YouTube video. And please, again, if you can like or if you can leave a review on the podcast, that would help the channel so much. So again, thank you in advance. All right, let's keep on going. Article number 4, looking at Ethereum now, it won't be crazy to expect this. So Ethereum, the second largest crypto token, following its much anticipated EIP 1559 upgrade, saw a significant jump into the green zone. However, at the press time, the largest altcoin was trading at the $2,952 mark with a 7% correction in the past 24 hours. Even though the asset did suffer a setback, analyst Lark Davis dished out his reasons to stay bullish on his latest YouTube video. Davis kicked off the discussion by first talking about the trending EIP 1559 scenarios. Within the first 12 hours of it going live, more than 3,000 ETH had been burnt. In a tweet dated August 6, he had mentioned, some amazing Ethereum facts that make me mega bullish on ETH moving forward. EIP 1559 went live today. More than 3,000 ETH has been burnt, making us on course to burn around 6,000 to 7,000 ETH in the first 24 hours. 12,000 ETH will be mined today. This is about a 50% supply flow reduction, and we are still waiting on major wallets to upgrade. He further stated in the video, quote, we'll see major wallets upgrading to support this more directly over the next few days, but very bullish nevertheless. Moreover, with ETH's transition to a proof of stake consensus within about 6 months, it will reduce the energy used by ETH by 99.95%, essentially dropping from the power use of a small country to a small town. He added, in recent times, this could act as a breakthrough moment, especially when energy consumption is a big topic. As is well known, Bitcoin, the only cryptocurrency bigger than ETH, has been criticized before over the rising ESG concerns. Moreover, the decline in Ethereum inflation rates also paint a bullish portrait. As per reports, current Ethereum inflation rates are 4.3%. As part of the ETH 2.0 upgrade, there will be a 90% reduction in this inflation, down to 0.43%. The so-called triple halving, comparing this with BTC, the former showcases a strong hand against its counterpart, the analyst added. Quote, Bitcoin is currently at 1.8%. It will take 3 more Bitcoin halving to have a lower inflation rate than ETH. But here's something to take note of. As things stand, ETH transactions involve a significant chunk of gas fees. Still bullish on it? Yes, because it shows that users are showing a very high demand for access to the chain. 1.2 million transactions a day on average blows over chains out of the water because people want that ETH has, said Davis. Meanwhile, many teams, Optimism, Arbitrum, Starkware, and sidechain Polygon, are working on layer 2 scaling solutions on ETH's network to further tackle the current setbacks in the said network. Once again, Davis offered an optimistic view. Quote, yes, the fees are high, but there are options. Those options are getting better. They're seeing more use all the time, so you can spend more time in Ethereum City. So BTC versus ETH. This debate has been raging for a year or two, with the former dominating the market. However, Davis stated in this context, Ethereum is now often matching, exceeding, or just on the heels of Bitcoin in terms of daily trading volume. And yet it has half of the market cap of Bitcoin. Something feels undervalued to me. Consider this, ETH has half the market capitalization of BTC, and yet basically the same daily trading volume as BTC. It would be fair to say the aforementioned analyst is rooting for ETH. In a recent tweet, he stated, hashtag Ethereum at $21,000 would be the same market cap as Apple. Really, not even that crazy when you consider what ETH is building. So there you guys have it. Looking at Ethereum now, it won't be crazy to expect this. Comment down below if you agree with Lark Davis, the analyst, and if you think that Bitcoin will succeed over ETH. Comment down below and let me know what you think. All right, let's get on to the main topic today. AMC will accept Bitcoin as payment for tickets and food by the end of the year. So AMC announced it is going to start rolling out technology to allow Quests in the United States to pay for their tickets and food in Bitcoin by the end of 2021. I've had to learn more in the past 6 months about blockchain and cryptocurrency than I learned about it in the entire decade before that, CEO Adam Aron said, according to CNN. The movie theater chain was also exploring how else AMC can participate in this new burgeoning cryptocurrency universe, and were quite intrigued by potentially lucrative business opportunities. The theaters are updating technology to accept Apple Pay and Google Pay for online purchases at the theaters as well. In response to the news, AMC shares jumped 5.3% during the after-hours trading, according to CNN, and Bitcoin increased 5.5% on Monday night from one day earlier. More and more companies are adopting cryptocurrencies into their businesses. Last month, Twitter reportedly said cryptocurrency would become a large part of its future strategy. Around the same time, Amazon posted a job for a digital currency and blockchain product lead to help its payments team develop new capabilities. We're inspired by the innovation happening in the cryptocurrency space and are exploring what this could look like on Amazon. A spokesperson for the company told CNN Business, we believe the future will be built on new technologies that enable modern, fast, and inexpensive payments, and hope to bring that future to Amazon customers as soon as possible. Massachusetts Senator Elizabeth Warren has repeatedly spoke out against cryptocurrency. In a June congressional hearing, Warren said cryptocurrency has significant problems for 4 reasons: fluctuating value, investment issues, illegal activity, and cost to the environment. Cryptocurrency has created opportunities to scam investors. assist criminals, and worsen the climate crisis, Warren said. The threats posted by crypto show that Congress and federal regulators can't continue to hide out, hoping that crypto will go away. It won't. It's time to confront these issues head on. So, there you guys have it. AMC will accept Bitcoin as payment for food and tickets by the end of the year. Comment down below if you either watch movies at AMC Theater, or two, do you think that AMC will accept Bitcoin as payment in the future? Or do you think these are just smoke and mirrors? All right, let's get a look at the prices before we head off. And I look at number one, BTC is at $45,970. Ethereum, $3,219. Tether, $1. Binance Coin, $373. Cardano, $1.59. XRP, 84 cents. Dogecoin, 25 cents. USD Coin, $1. Polkadot, $21. And last but not least, Uniswap at $30. So there you guys have it. Thank you so much for listening to my show. Again, this is Dave's Daily Crypto Take. If you're on the podcast, check me out on Apple, Spotify, and Google. And if you're in the YouTube space, please like, share, and subscribe. Until then, I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a great crypto day. Peace.